Hi everyone, how are you? And this is Kaylana, and thank you for stopping back by my channel. Now today I want to do a brief video about building your own app. Now I know a lot of people have probably considered starting their own app or creating an app of some sort. And if you really think about it, it's not that hard, guys. It really isn't. A lot of the mobile apps that you see today, it's not only just an invention of one single person or a group of people creating a specific type of app or an idea. A lot of these mobile apps that you see were actually implemented off of someone else's design or someone else's idea. For instance, one of my favorite games as a child to play was Tetris. And I know that some of you guys remember the game Tetris. It's almost like a puzzle game, and blocks start to fall and drop from different corners. Basically, it's like you're putting puzzle pieces together. Years later, as the tech industry has grown and the mobile app industry has become so phenomenal, different games begin to come out. Now, Tetris is always going to be Tetris. However, there are games that are very similar to Tetris. And the main game that I thought about that is a spin-off of Tetris is Candy Crush. Candy Crush is like a very addictive game to a lot of people, and I know because I have relatives that are very, very addicted to Candy Crush and spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on the game. But all they did was just rename it, reskin it with different designs, add on different levels, etc., etc. Do you guys know how much the creators of Candy Crush have made? Millions of dollars, guys. And as I begin to study mobile app design and the creation of mobile apps, a lot of people who create mobile apps really don't know a lot about UX and UI design and implementation or even programming. They just know some of the basics of business and technology and maybe a little bit of the design itself, but they hire programmers, they hire designers to do that. They created an idea, they tested it out, and now it became a success. Now, there are some gaming apps that I absolutely love. And then maybe a few months later, or maybe like a year or so down the road, there were other creators that created the exact same concept, exact same thing, but renamed it differently. And as I studied this, a lot of designers, what they do is they just reskin it. Now you guys will have to actually research that on your own on how people reskin games and apps. Is very, very simple to do. Here's my take on it. If you do decide to create a mobile app with a similar concept to other apps that you see out there, make sure that it is your original design, even if it's a similar concept. There are so many people that are making millions and millions of dollars in their sleep by creating one simple mobile app. And there are so many different genres of mobile apps that you can create. But one of the biggest ways that a lot of these companies make money is by in-app purchases, meaning especially if it's gaming, every single time that you make an in-app purchase, like paying extra to go to the next level or buying something extra within the game itself. Also, a lot of creators make money by people paying to dismiss ads on their page, and also creators make money by ads, through ads, and also from advertisers. So there's so many ways that you can make money, guys, but the key thing is to think of a great idea and a great concept and just run with it. And some of you probably have thought about it, but you just don't know where to start, or say, hey, I don't know the first thing about creating a design for a mobile app. I don't know what to do. There are a lot of resources out there. And one of my favorite types of resources are on-demand jobs, such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and so many others. And you can also hire someone privately to work with you to design the app itself. And I had conducted a survey with some of my subscribers and viewers, and you can check out the survey over in the community section. What type of mobile apps do you think have longer longevity of income? Basically, which genre of mobile apps have the potential to make the creator or the company the most money for long periods of time? Now, here are the results from my audience. 7% said gaming apps can make the most money. 29% said food delivery or grocery delivery. 53% said shopping from online retailers. 5% said paid video or music streaming. Then 7% said other. I still think that gaming apps will always probably one of the front runners as making the most money. There are so many online retailers that have their own mobile app, and they make thousands, if not millions of dollars every single year. So my encouragement to you is that if you ever wanted to create a mobile app, go for it. Begin the process of writing down what you want to do, study the market, study how mobile apps are made. Also think about the economy, the longevity on how well you think that the app will turn out. Because sometimes people create apps just for the moment, and then maybe a year or two after they've created the app or released it, it's not that popular anymore. And of course, your audience is going to have their own spin on it and what they think. But the best thing to do is get started somewhere. And there are tons of websites out there, guys, that have pre-made games or templates for whatever you want to do, and all you have to do is pay for it and then hire someone to design it for you, or you can design it yourself. I'm all about entrepreneurship, so I enjoy seeing people create something new. I enjoy seeing people create something that is going to better other people, and also creating things that people will enjoy in the long run. All right, guys, I have more to come about this particular topic, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. God bless you guys. Have a great day.